friends, welcome to my channel Vivid Shades of Life. Today I thought of sharing this tasty and very simple recipe called Dates Carrot Halwa, which takes approximately 10 minutes to prepare. And the ingredients are 4 big size carrot, sugar 1 bowl, dry fruits, 1/4 cup of dates, half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 4 teaspoon of ghee. So let's get started. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you.